Hi friends, I wanted to talk to you about this week's activity of making a sandwich. So in your packet you should have found a visual recipe for making a sandwich. It's got pictures, it's got words, and it's got check boxes on the side. So if you have a hard time reading the words, you can always look at the pictures, or you can ask whoever's working on this activity with you what the words say. So we'll go ahead and go through the instructions. So what you'll need to do is first gather all of these ingredients and put them out on your countertop or on your table, wherever you're going to make your sandwich. The next thing that you'll need is a pencil so that you can check off the boxes as you complete the steps. So the next page of your visual recipe talks about the steps for how to complete this. I'm going to add a step up here. You guys need to wash your hands very, very carefully before you start touching food. That's the first thing that we always do when we're cooking together. The next step is going to be putting your lunch meat onto your bread. Again, if you get stuck, look at your picture. Make sure you check the box off as you do it. Next step, put a cheese on top of your meat. Check it off. Third step, place lettuce on top of your cheese slice. Check it off. Wash the tomato. So this means you need to take it to the sink and wash it. Place the tomato onto the cutting board. Okay, so have your parent or whoever's helping you be around at this step because you're going to be using a knife. And you could even use just a butter knife for this to decrease some risk. Or if parents are going to be right there with you, maybe they'll let you use a real knife. I don't know. It's totally up to them. Okay. Then you need to slice the tomato and put it onto your sandwich. The next step is spread mayonnaise onto the other piece of bread. So breaking this step down into a couple different steps, you need to open the mayonnaise jar, dip your knife in, then put the mayonnaise on the bread, spread it around. So there's a couple different things in that one step. Next step is press this slice of bread on top of the other bread and put it on a plate. Then you're free to eat it and enjoy. So I hope that you guys enjoy that. Maybe you could make lunch for yourself and mom and dad, or whoever's with you. Surprise them with lunch. And hope to see or talk to you soon. If you have any questions, whoever's with you has any questions, feel free to set up a Doxy.me appointment, a virtual meeting together, or you can email me, or you can send me a message on your class app, on your class Facebook page. You can send me an email. There's plenty of ways to get in touch with me, and I would love to hear from you. Hope you guys are doing good, and I miss seeing you. Bye.